Grua. Thunga have big problem. Thunga strong, Thunga brave, Thunga hunt mammoth. But when it come to love, Thunga weaker than broken spear. Every time Thunga see cave woman, heartbeat like drum, but words vanish like smoke, only grunt come out. Tribe laugh, cave woman walk away. But today, Thunga learn new magic. Not fire, not wheel, but something even more powerful. A brain that live inside glowing stone. Humans of future call it ChatGPT. And today, Thunga teach you how even caveman can write love letter with AI. Before AI, Thunga try everything. He carve heart into stone, rock break. He paint cave wall with red berry juice. Picture look like dead fish, not heart. He sing song by fire. Wolf outside howl louder. Tribe laugh until stomach hurt. Love too hard. Words too tricky. Caveman not built for romance. But Thunga not give up. If he can hunt mammoth, he can hunt words too. One stormy night, lightning strike ground. Glowing rock appear. Inside rock, words appear like magic. Thunga ask, "Who are you?" The rock reply, "I am ChatGPT, big brain from future." Thunga curious. He scratch on stone, write love letter for cave woman. And suddenly, words appear. "Dear one, your eyes shine brighter than fire at night. Your smile warmer than mammoth fur." Thunga's jaw drop. Tribe silent. No caveman in history ever say words so smooth. But Thunga no stop. He test more. He say, write in caveman style. The stone reply, "Me Thunga. Me love you. You smell nicer than cooked deer." Tribe roar with laughter. Cave woman giggle. Then Thunga say, write like poet. Magic brain reply, "Your beauty greater than rising sun. Your kindness deeper than endless river." Tribe clap. Even shaman jealous. Then Thunga say, write funny letter. Magic brain reply, "I like you more than mammoth steak, and that's saying much." Tribe roll on floor. Cave woman blush harder. Thunga test more prompts to show power. Write like Shakespeare. Stone say, "Shall I compare thee to warmest fire? Thou art brighter, thou art higher." Tribe confused, but clap anyway. Write like text message. Stone say, "Hey, you cute. Wanna share mammoth steak?" Cave woman laugh. Write like song lyrics. Stone give rhyme. "Oh cave heart, beat strong, with you I belong." Tribe start dancing around fire. Write like wise elder. Stone reply, "Two fires join, they burn brighter. Two hearts join, they last longer." Tribe nod serious. Every time, ChatGPT give style, give flavor, give words Thunga never imagine. AI not make love for you, but AI help you speak it. But not everyone happy. Rival caveman jealous. He shout, "This not Thunga words. This cheating." Teacher caveman suspicious too. "No caveman talk like this. Who help you?" Thunga nervous. But cave woman smile. She say,
Words may come from stone, but courage come from Thunga. That what matter.
So, Thunga show you, with AI, even caveman can write love letter. Comment below what magic brain should write next. And if you want mammoth brain for yourself, link in description.